This is the PTX 1094. This was designed for a customer who is making a wire frame assemblies, and the wires are held to each other by rolling the J hook around another piece of tubing or material the same size. This tool is really quite simple in operation. The tool simply, the wire is placed. Now remember, these are normally assembled, so this is a little bit more awkward, but placed in position, lined up, and crimped. PTX 1094. If you have an application similar to this, give us a call. We'd be happy to help.